If you want to clean your microwave but are running low on elbow grease, try using a quick and easy specialty cleaner from the Home Depot. Start by taking out all of the removable pieces. Then, coat the inside of the microwave with a cleanser. Power it up for 1 to 2 minutes. After you let it cool down, use a sponge to wipe away excess gunk and residue. Wash the removable pieces with soap and water, and then put them back in. Now clean the exterior with your favorite all-purpose cleaner and a damp sponge. If your microwave is stainless steel, use a stainless steel cleaner. If you're looking for a DIY alternative, you can clean with a solution made from equal parts water and vinegar. Good as new! And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.